What up, YouTube? Back again with another video. So today we got a cold air intake. I'm about to be installing this in my 2013 Ford F-150 5.0. See if it makes any difference, see if it makes the sound any better, or if it gives me some more horsepower. So stay tuned, y'all. Alright, so we got the old one off. Took it out. Put the new bracket in. It's coming along. Got it fully installed with the coupler, metal piping to another coupler to the air intake. Let's see how it sounds. What's the major difference? When I rev it sounds a lot different. More gargle, a lot beefier. So let's see how it feels when I drive. Slight difference in the horsepower.